Welcome back to the channel, Speed Reviews, Product and Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Mini 3 Pro's Fly More kit. This is obviously, there is a Fly More kit which is for the DJI Mini 3, which is different marginally to this one. I think it's down to the batteries in the Mini 3 Pro only run for 34 minutes each, whereas in the Mini 3 they run for 38 minutes each. The difference between the Mini 3 Pro and the Mini 3, from what I can understand, is, other than the battery time, is to do with the fact that the Mini 3 Pro shoots in 4K and the Mini 3 doesn't, and also the Mini 3 Pro has upwards, left and right obstacle avoidance, whereas the Mini 3 doesn't. So this Fly More kit for the Mini 3 Pro comes with a shoulder bag, a battery charger, 2 batteries, and an additional 2 sets of propellers and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Typically it comes with a standard DJI white box. Got this tape a second ago. Obviously it's all brand new. So it's a, maybe a PU leather type bag. Feels quite nice quality compared to the previous DJI bags that I've seen from my DJI Air. There's a strap which obviously can be extended, and a piece of paper will come off of there. There's another pocket on the front here, which is empty, but I'm sure you could fit a few memory cards in it. Inside the bag there's a zip pocket in the lid, which is where the cable and the 2 sets of propellers are currently stored. Inside here there's space for the controller, space for the drone, and space for anything else you need. And these are the batteries and the charger. Instructions or destructions, however you prefer. Put that to the side for a second. So these, as I said, these are the intelligent flight batteries for the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which I can't open. We'll just rip it, I think. That was tough. So this is the DJI Mini 3 Pro kit intelligent flight battery charger. As you can see, it will take and charge 3 batteries. There's 2 in there at the moment. 1, 2, and obviously there is one in the drone already itself, which I took out on my previous video. So if you're I think they simultaneously charge, or maybe they charge 1 at a time if you put them all in, but you can charge 3 at a time. It has an on-off button here, USB-C in, and if you wanted to also use these fully charged batteries to charge your phone or your laptop or anything else, there is a USB-A out, so you can plug in to charge up your phone from other batteries that are already charged, which is obviously quite a good idea. Feels pretty robust. Good DJI standard, obviously. At least you know that you've then got 3 lots of 34 minutes of flight time, so an hour and 12 minutes of flight time from the 3 batteries. Hope you found this little bit of an unboxing useful. If you can like and subscribe, that would be great. I'll put some links in the description below for these items and where I got them from, and have a great time flying your drones.